Hey, welcome to Midnight Customs. I'm Brandon, and today's video is about the Arccaptain CUT55 plasma cutter. And if you're having a cutting issue, your torch could be malfunctioning. Does your pilot arc go out? Does the shade of the light go from bright white to like a putrid green, NyQuil green color? You might have a torch issue. If you've gone through and replaced all of your consumables, your electrode, your cutting tip, always replace both at the same time, and it's still malfunctioning, you go to cut through your steel and it just scars it, or it quits cutting mid-cut, doesn't cut at all, your torch could be malfunctioning. So how we're going to show you how to do that is we're going to open this up and we're going to show you the electrical test you can do with a voltmeter. And in today's video, obviously you're going to need your CUT55. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need you a decent voltmeter. Whatever you got works. I'll leave a link to this for Amazon. So we're going to get right into this, and we'll show you how to do the test, and it'll let you know if your torch is bad or the machine is bad. Now that you got your 4 screws out and your cover removed, locate the high frequency cable, which is right here, and then just give it kind of a little pinch and pull just real gently, and it should pop right out like so. Now that we have that cable turned or pulled out, we're going to turn the machine on. Then we're going to grab our voltmeter and we're going to set the current to DC current.
That's it. Go.
So now we're going to put our probes in where the torch and the ground or work clamp goes into, and we're going to test for 300 on the voltmeter. If it's under 300, then the machine is bad. And then after that, we're going to go over to the pilot arc control, and we're also going to check for over 300. If you have over 300 on both, then your torch itself is bad. If you have under 300 on either one, then your machine may need some attention. Thanks for watching.